Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Shasta stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make one single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Make a chain, skip a chain, into the next chain make a single crochet. Make one chain, skip one chain, into the next chain make a single crochet. Make one chain, skip one chain, in the next chain make a single crochet. And you're going to repeat this sequence for the rest of your row. And that is how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make one chain. You're going to skip over the first stitch of your row, this single crochet right here. We're going to be working into these chain 1 spaces from our last row. Make a single crochet in the first chain 1 space. You're now going to make a single crochet into this single crochet you just made. So literally in this space right here in the body of it. Just like that. Skip over the next single crochet into this next chain 1 space, make a single crochet. Then make a single crochet in the body of that single crochet you just made. Like that. Skip the next stitch in this chain 1 space, make a single crochet. Into the body of this single crochet you just made, make a single crochet. Skip this next stitch in this next chain 1 space, make a single crochet. Then make a single crochet inside of that single crochet. Just like that. Skip this next stitch in this next chain 1 space, make a single crochet. And then a single crochet inside of that single crochet. And you're going to repeat this step until you reach the end of your row. When you get to the end of your row, you'll have one stitch left. You're just going to make a regular single crochet into that last stitch. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make one chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make one single crochet. Make one chain, skip one stitch. Into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Make one chain, skip one stitch, into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Make one chain, skip one stitch, into the next stitch, make a single crochet. You're now going to repeat this sequence until you reach the end of your row. And that is how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Shasta stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.